The role of selector is a vital part of the team in our distribution centers at Gordon Food Service. We have a passion for getting our customers the right products, on time, and in the right condition. Selectors play a key part in this. Selectors pick cases to pallets based on orders. They travel from lane to lane via pallet jack, and a typical day will see a selector picking 1,000 to 1,500 cases. Once the pallet is complete, the selector wraps the pallet and moves it to a staging area where loaders place it on the truck for delivery. Gordon Food Service's distribution centers are designed with our customers' needs in mind. We pride ourselves on keeping products in good condition and at the right temperature. There are 3 temperature zones in our distribution centers. Grocery, which can reach temperatures in the summer close to 100 degrees. The cooler, which is kept at 37 degrees. And the freezer, which can reach temperatures of 30 degrees below zero. Our selectors work in all 3 of these temperature zones, sometimes in multiple areas in the same day. At Gordon Food Service, a significant portion of our business comes from the independent restaurant operator. Weekends are their lifeblood and busiest time of the week. For this reason, our selectors work varied shifts, which could include Sunday through Thursday, the night shift, and working until the job is finished. This is an important note. We are a team, and we work together until the job is done for the day. If machinery malfunctions or orders come in late, this will put everyone behind. Holidays are the busiest times for our customers, so they are our busiest times as well. Mother's Day, Christmas, and Valentine's Day can add 3 to 6 hours onto a typical 8 to 10 hour day, depending on shift and location. This is also why attendance is so important. We have a strict attendance policy, and employees are rewarded for perfect attendance. Selectors typically work 3 to 6 hour stretches without stopping. The job involves bending, stretching, and lifting cases that can weigh 70 to 100 pounds depending on the customer order. They work up a sweat, and at the end of the day, their bodies can be sore. A significant portion of a selector's paycheck is based on accuracy and speed. When errors occur, there is a negative impact to their incentive bonus. When they achieve their accuracy goals, they're given significant bonuses that can add $4 to $5 per hour onto their wage. These numbers are benchmarked against the other selectors in the DC, and individual numbers are posted for everyone to see how they're stacking up. The distribution center works together as a team to serve our customers. This team environment fosters a culture of hard work, camaraderie, and fun. The job of a selector is not for everyone. The physical environment can be strenuous, the work hours can be long, the physical requirements are tough, and pay is based on accuracy and speed. However, for those who enjoy friendly competition, competitive pay, great benefits, and rewards for performance, Gordon Food Service is a great place to build a career.